Blue Ghost spacecraft. The beginning of a new era in lunar exploration. In space technology, the fast-moving Blue Ghost is one of the groundbreaking projects that has attracted attention. The spacecraft, designed by the private company Firefly Aerospace, is part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, which will send cargo and scientific equipment to the lunar surface. But why is Blue Ghost so important? Could this spacecraft be the start of further exploration of the moon and beyond? Introducing the Blue Ghost spacecraft. Blue Ghost is a robotic spacecraft that was sent to the moon on January 15, 2025, to carry out scientific and exploration missions, and successfully landed on its surface after 2 weeks of orbiting the moon. The spacecraft is capable of transporting various payloads, including scientific equipment, experimental technologies, and other necessary tools to the moon's surface. In addition, the Blue Ghost spacecraft is set to collect data from the lunar surface and answer some of the most important scientific questions in this field. One of Blue Ghost's biggest goals is to conduct scientific research on the lunar surface. Some of its most important scientific missions include studying the composition of the lunar soil, collecting data to assess human habitation conditions on the lunar surface characteristics and chemical activity, and also testing new technologies that could be used in future missions to the moon and even space travel to Mars. Blue Ghost is one of the commercial projects developed under NASA's CLPS program. The program gives private companies like Firefly Aerospace the opportunity to send cargo and equipment to the lunar surface. This collaboration will not only help advance NASA's goals for lunar exploration, but will also significantly impact the development of space technologies and encourage the private sector to participate in space exploration. Blue Ghost technological features. Blue Ghost uses advanced robotic and rocket technologies to carry out its missions, including advanced automated systems for a soft landing on the lunar surface. The spacecraft can also use its navigation systems to precisely control its path to avoid potential hazards in space. It has constant communication with its command center to monitor its performance during the journey and landing on the moon. Why is Blue Ghost important? Blue Ghost is not only being considered a scientific spacecraft, but could also revolutionize the commercial space industry. While many moon missions are currently overseen by NASA and other government agencies, projects like Blue Ghost represent a move toward a commercial space exploration space. These developments could lead to lower costs and increased access to space in the future. The Blue Ghost spacecraft is a major step forward in space exploration. Collaboration between NASA and private companies like Firefly Aerospace means that the future of space will belong not only to government agencies, but also to private companies. This transformation will be of great importance not only in the development of space technologies, but also in the expansion of economic and commercial activities.